Hey beauty lovers! Today we're looking at an age-old makeup technique using a tissue to create an imaginary line. This is for blush, bronzer, contour and highlighter. We place the tissue strategically and apply these products to brighten the upper outside of the face. Here I am demonstrating the placement of Summer Sun Bronzer, showcasing its power to naturally lift the face. After the main application, use a brush to seamlessly blend, softening the edges into the rest of the face. This timeless method accentuates cheekbones for a naturally lifted look. By the way, I absolutely love the Summer Sun Bronzer. It's a game changer. If you're enjoying this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.